eBay dropshipping business. Have you ever wondered how to use eBay in dropshipping? Do you often wonder if eBay can bring much profit in dropshipping? Have you found yourself frequently thinking if you have proper knowledge of eBay? If yes, then you have landed on the right video. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, the #1 source for content centered around earning money from home. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. Subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about eBay dropshipping business. Now let's get into it. Is it possible to start a successful eBay dropshipping business for zero out of pocket? Yes, it is. The problem is that there are hundreds of supposed dropshippers online, and many so-called instant auction success kits, and all but 2 are useless. There are only 2 eBay-approved dropshippers, and joining either one is the first step to creating an eBay work-at-home business dropshipping business. Setting up business. To start your business, you are going to need a PayPal account, an eBay account, a dropshipper account. As we already said, there are many supposed dropshippers out there that are nothing but a scam. There are only 2 eBay-approved dropshippers, and only one dropshipper is fully integrated with eBay. Both charge membership fees, but the fee structures differ greatly. If you choose to go with a free trial dropshipping account, then by the time you need to pay membership dues, you will have easily earned more than enough money to cover your monthly dues. Remember I told you it would cost $0 out of pocket? Here's how. Sign up for the free 7-day trial. Make a real effort to get things started. Call customer service or contact live chat on the 4th or 5th day of your trial. Let them know how hard you have been working, and that you very much would like to extend your trial period, so your auctions have time to run their course. You can get a better feel for the system. I was able to get my trial period extended to a full month by taking this approach. Take the time to ask them any and every question you have since you are on the phone anyway. The customer service reps are amazing, and it is well worth taking advantage of their expertise. Work your butt off during the trial period, and you will easily earn the few bucks your membership will cost you and more. Then you can pay your membership with your earnings, and thus have a $0 startup. In fact, in my first 2 weeks, I earned enough to pay for a 1-year membership at a huge discount. When you have convinced yourself how wonderful your new business is, and you are ready to pay your membership dues, don't do a thing until you call the customer service department back and ask to speak with someone in the promotions department. They will be offering you huge discounts on your membership, and they will usually throw in free tools as well. Before you go any further, you need to take some time getting familiar with eBay, PayPal, and your dropshipper. Explore each site carefully. Read about eBay's fees. You will not have to pay any fees up front to use eBay, but you will need to understand the fee structure to price your items properly. Get extremely comfortable with the tools and products offered by your dropshipper. If you run into any questions or problems along the way, contact the customer support for the site you have issues with, and they will be glad to assist you. It will be much easier for you to follow the rest of this guide if you have a basic understanding of your new accounts first. 5 important areas. Now that you have a feel for the tools you will be using, there are 5 more areas we need to cover in detail to make sure you are off to a solid start. Product selection. You have instant access to over 250,000 products to pick from. Find out how to determine which products to sell. Product pricing. How to set prices that will earn you the best conversions. Traffic. There are over 60 million eBayers out there. Learn how to drive them to your listings. Things to avoid. Find out the most common mistakes newbies make. Advanced tools. Reviews of some of the best tools available to expand your business when you are ready. Is eBay a scam? If you have been researching work-at-home job opportunities, then no doubt you have come across dropshipping. You have probably seen 100 ads trying to sell you an ebook that will tell you all the secrets to eBay, or been tempted by a free instant auction success kit of some kind, right? If you have been unfortunate enough to become a victim of any of these scams, then you may have dismissed eBay and drop shipping as a legitimate business. Don't give up just yet. Motivated individuals can build a successful eBay drop shipping business with $0 out of pocket. There are several factors crucial to your success as a drop shipper. First and most importantly, you must choose a drop shipper that is approved by eBay, and there are only two. Once you have selected your drop shipper, you need to select products to sell. Avoid selling products that are already highly saturated on eBay. For example, everyone and their brother is selling MP3 players at the moment, so your chances of getting sales are much lower than if you target a less crowded market like belt buckles. Try and build an inventory of related products so you can pick up extra sales from your customers. If you sell computers and a customer decides to purchase a desktop unit from you, he may also purchase a printer or other accessories if you have them in stock. Pricing is always a sticky area for beginners. The number one mistake new drop shippers and eBay users make is forgetting to factor in the fees when listing their items. For example, you can get a hunting knife from your drop shipper for $70 plus $4 shipping for a total of $74. You decide to list it on eBay for $80 for $6 profit, right? Wrong. There are fees for accepting PayPal payments for your auction, there are listing fees, and there are eBay's final value fees. In this example, you would have actually lost between $2 and $5, depending on your listing format. There is a very simple formula to avoid this problem and ensure you always make a profit. Once you have your business model established, how do you drive customers to your products? If you are using eBay, then you are already way ahead of the game. eBay has over 60 million users, and you can easily drive them to your products through a variety of tools already available to you right on eBay. There are tools to enhance your auctions such as Listing Designer, bold and highlight options, and gallery photo options. There are also ways to expand your business and lower your listing fees by opening an eBay store. The serious entrepreneur should spend some time utilizing eBay's many message boards, fact pages, and live help options to explore these and many other tools in depth. And with that, we've reached the end of this video all about eBay drop shipping business. Let us know in the comments section down below if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting. Remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also subscribe to Colorful Finance and click the notification bell so you're always up to date with our latest releases. As always, thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon in the next one.